In a previous tutorial video, we saw how to include notifications onto workflow pathways. A single notification to the manager will be ideal, but we don't live in an ideal world. The manager might decide to open the instance later and forget, or they might inadvertently delete the email. There are a number of reasons why a process might get stuck, so to be safe, we should include reminders that are sent if the form instance hasn't progressed as expected. There are a couple of ways to manage this. The simplest way is to convert a single notification into a recurring one that will keep being sent out on a scheduled basis until the instance has successfully moved to the next stage. To do this, select the notification and go to the Time tab. Use the option until the next stage is reached and select the duration between notifications. By specifying working days, Saturdays and Sundays will be ignored. This feature won't manage statutory holidays though. Do also be aware that this notification option will send out a notification immediately and then keep repeating based on the duration selected. For that reason, we only need one single notification on the list. If you don't want to use the recurring notification feature, there is another option which allows you to be more specific about when and how many reminders are sent. In this case, we wouldn't need the recurring notification, so let's start by reversing that. We can now add a second notification onto the list. Use a suitable name, attention level if applicable, and do remember to choose the role of the person receiving the notification. In the Time tab, we can now use the option after a fixed period and specify when you want this reminder to be sent. Although the default cancellation setting is still good, it's important to understand why. If the manager in this case responds to the initial notification before the reminder has been sent, then that response will trigger the stage to change, and that in turn will trigger the notification to be cancelled. That's exactly what you want, because you don't need reminders to be sent if the request has already been processed. In the Message tab, you can write an alternative subject. You can also write an alternative message if you want, or simply go to the original message, copy it and paste it into your new message. That's a single reminder, of course, but you can specify as many reminders as you need based on the importance of the request. You can also send escalations to someone else if you need to, by sending a notification to a different person. Furthermore, with this second method, you have more flexibility over the message, whereas with the recurring notification, the same message will be sent every time.